Barefoot and brave, discover the healing power of embracing nature. Welcome to a journey back to our roots, a journey that invites you to reconnect with the natural world in its raw, untouched beauty. In today's chaotic and fast-paced society, we've lost touch with one of the most powerful sources of healing and transformation, nature. But today, we're going to explore how nature not only restores us, but also awakens a deeper sense of mindfulness and meaning. Together, we'll discover how shedding layers, both physical and emotional, can unlock confidence, reduce anxiety, and rekindle the primal energy within us all. So take a deep breath. Let the noise fade away, and let's step into the wild together. Nature has a unique ability to quiet our restless minds and soothe our weary hearts. It's a universal source of renewal, the sound of rustling leaves, the rhythm of crashing waves, and the feeling of earth beneath your bare feet. All of these connect us to something far larger than ourselves. At its simplest, being in nature offers us a safe space to breathe, to pause, and to be present. Studies have shown that spending time in the natural world can reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and even improve our sleep. But beyond these physical benefits lies something deeper, a sense of wholeness, of coming home to ourselves. When we immerse ourselves in nature, we open the door to a profound inner calm. Many of us hold on to layers, physical, emotional, and societal, out of fear of being truly seen. But what if we told you that letting go of these layers, especially in nature, could set you free? There's something transformative about standing in the fresh air or dipping into a river, bare not only in body but in spirit. Shedding your clothes in a safe, natural setting isn't merely about nudity. It's a symbolic act of release. It's about releasing judgment, fear, and self-doubt. In nature's embrace, we stop hiding. We align with our true selves, free from the expectations of the outside world. One of the simplest ways to reconnect with the earth is through the practice of forest bathing, also known as Shinrin-yoku. This isn't simply a walk in the woods. Forest bathing is about immersing yourself in the atmosphere of the forest, engaging all your senses and being fully present. As you step into the lush greenery, observe the shifting patterns of sunlight above. Listen to the quiet whispers of the leaves and the songs of birds. Breathe in the earthy scent of the soil. Let yourself be enveloped by the stillness of the trees. Each moment attunes you to nature's rhythm while calming your mind and body. Through this practice, you'll discover how the forest becomes a sanctuary, a place where you can set aside your worries and simply exist in harmony with the world around you. If the calm of the forest draws you inward, the exhilaration of water draws you outward. Skinny dipping, stepping into natural waters without barriers, is an act of freedom that awakens the soul. It's a playful, liberating ritual that connects you to the primal energy of the earth. Feel the water rush over your skin. Notice how the coolness creates tingling sensations that awaken your senses. This moment is a reminder that we are alive, present, and grounded in the here and now. Skinny dipping isn't just an activity, it's an act of reclaiming joy. It's a way to say, I will not let fear hold me back. Even if the idea feels bold, remember, being bold is a way of empowering yourself. Each brave step you take strengthens your confidence, encourages mindfulness, and brings lightness to your soul. Another simple yet transformative way to reconnect with nature is going barefoot. Walking without shoes on natural surfaces like grass, sand, or soil, a practice known as earthing, grounds you physically and energetically. Each step you take barefoot helps you feel more present, connected, and alive. Grounding has science behind it. Research suggests that walking barefoot can reduce inflammation, improve circulation, and even enhance your overall mood. More importantly, this act reconnects you to an awareness of your body and the earth beneath it. As your feet touch the ground, you draw strength from nature's stability. Spend some time barefoot on the beach, in your garden, or even a patch of soft grass. Notice the sensations. Notice how much closer you feel to life around you. One challenge you might face during this journey is fear. Fear of judgment or fear of vulnerability. But remember, fear is often a product of the mind, not the heart. Nature, with its vastness and lack of judgment, reminds us we are more than our fears. Here, you are not judged, you are embraced. Let nature be your playground. Rediscover the joy of spontaneity, whether it's wading into a stream, laughing with friends, or exploring a forest trail. Playfulness is vital to mindfulness. It keeps us in the moment and awakens a sense of curiosity. By letting go of fear, you open the door to joy. As you interact with the natural world, pause to acknowledge the gifts it offers. Notice the breeze cooling your skin, the sunlight warming your face, or the fresh air filling your lungs. These are nature's offerings, small yet profound reminders of life's abundance. Practicing gratitude in these moments enhances mindfulness, allowing you to fully appreciate the beauty around you. Gratitude shifts your focus away from what's missing and onto what's present. It's a key to unlocking deeper levels of peace and connection. In many ways, nature mirrors the human experience. It teaches us patience as seasons change, resilience as storms pass, and acceptance through its imperfections. Just as a tree stands tall despite weathering countless seasons, we too can find strength within ourselves to embrace life as it is. Immersing yourself in nature reminds you that you, like the earth, are part of something greater. It fosters perspective, helping you align with the rhythms of life rather than resist them. The lessons nature offers are simple yet profound, if only we pause to listen. For those new to these practices, start small. Find a quiet spot, a local park, a nearby lake, or your own backyard. Take off your shoes, feel the ground, and let yourself unwind. If you're nervous about shedding your clothes, begin with a private moment, like skinny dipping in a secluded spot, or sitting in solitude under the trees. Remember, this is your journey. It doesn't need to look like anyone else's. The goal is not to push yourself into discomfort, but to lean into curiosity and openness. The earth is calling. It offers you a chance to step away from the busyness of modern life and rediscover the healing power of simplicity, vulnerability, and connection. This journey isn't just about taking off your shoes, your clothes, or your worries. It's about stepping into your truth and embracing the remarkable beauty of being fully alive. Will you answer the call? Begin with one small action, a barefoot walk, a moment in the forest, or a refreshing dip in a stream. Take that first step and let nature guide you toward a deeper, more mindful way of living. As you move forward, carry this thought. Nature holds a space for each of us, a space where we are loved, accepted, and enough just as we are. In its quiet beauty, it reminds us of our own inner beauty. In its steady resilience, it reflects our strength. And in its joyful playfulness, it touches the childlike wonder within us. Thank you for joining this journey of discovery. May you continue to explore, embrace, and celebrate the gift of being barefoot, brave, and utterly connected to the magic of the natural world. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Good night.